If you fundamentally believe that this is the right course of action and you stick with it, like in a relationship, I bought her flowers and I wished her happy birthday, and she doesn't love me. Clearly I'll give up. You know, that's not what happens. If you believe there's something there, you commit yourself to an act of service. You commit yourself to the regime, the exercise. You can screw it up. You can eat chocolate cake one day. You can skip a day or two. You know, it allows for that. But if you stick with it consistently, I'm not exactly sure what day, but I know you'll start getting into shape. I know it. And the same with the relationship. It's not about the events. It's not about intensity. It's about consistency, right? You go to the dentist twice a year, your teeth will fall out. You have to brush your teeth every day for 2 minutes. What does brushing your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes do? Nothing. Unless you do it every day, twice a day for 2 minutes, right? It's the consistency. Going to the gym for 9 hours does not get you into shape. Working out every day for 20 minutes gets you into shape.
How I stay consistent. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Abhishek Misra. So in this video I am sharing my tips how I stay consistent during my studies or how to stay focused toward your goal. One of my followers on Instagram asked me this question, so I decided to make a video on this topic. So first thing, have a proper goal. Set your study goal in macro and micro plan. First thing first, start with the basic and set your study goals. Ask yourself why you are here, why you want to do this. For example, your goal is to complete modern history, so your plan should be like this. First, find the good resources. Second, list down the topic, divide into the subtopic. Third, prepare a micro and macro plan. And at last, start studying to complete your macro plan by achieving micro plan. So this is the example how you set your goal, and based on that how you make a plan. If you still find difficult, unmotivated, ask the same question to yourself, why you want to do this. So my second tip, make a study timetable. Once you know that what you want, the next step is to prepare a weekly plan or study timetable. Set a routine for everything. Your timetable could include the time you should go to bed, the time you should have your meal, and most importantly, the time you spend on your studies. There is no hard and fast rule. Make a habit. Try at least 21 days to follow the same timetable. You should of course allow some flexibility depending on how things go, but establishing a routine is essential. And do try to stick to your study timetable as best as you can. So my third step, just start studying. Now you know that your goal and reason behind to achieve it, and also you done with your study timetable. Now time for action come. I also suffered many times. मैं भी जब पढ़ता था पहले तो मेरे अंदर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन बहुत ज़्यादा था, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग एटीट्यूड था, खुद को कन्विंस कर लेता था, आज रहने देता हूँ, कल से पढ़ूंगा, और ये धीरे धीरे गिल्ट फैक्टर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता था. बट लेटर आई मेक माई माइंड एंड जस्ट कंप्लीटिंग माई डेली टास्क, फोकस ऑन दैट एंड सिट ऑन माई स्टडी जोन एंड स्टार्ट स्टडिंग. अगर मेरा मन करता भी था बस बहुत पढ़ लिया, देन उस समय मैं अपने लिमिट को पुश करता था. ग्रेजुअली ये मेरी हैबिट में चेंज हो गई. Now I can complete my task easily without any procrastination. So my tip number 4. Now it's time for break. During study, I use Pomodoro technique, that is 50 by 10, 25 by 5. That is 50-minute study, 10-minute break, and so on. So during the break, I just relax, walking, listening music, do some push-ups for blood flow. By doing this, my retention power for studying on peak. For example, if you are studying for 4 hours straight without any break, then the quality of study is very low. In case of the other who use Pomodoro, using the method, I re-energize for next session. So my Pomodoro tips is here that during break, do one thing that regain your energy level as well as relax your mind. So my conclusion for break is that study for 50 minutes or 25 minutes, Do for one session, drop your level of energy. To regain the energy, take a short break for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Do one of your favorite activity to re-energize yourself for next session. Don't take stress during this break because it's ruin your upcoming session for your study. During study, take 2 subject for a day. This is my next tip. अगर आपको एक सब्जेक्ट को कॉन्टिन्यूसली पढ़ते जाते हो तो कुछ समय बाद आप बोर और मोनोटोनस फील करने लगते हो। यह गलती ना करें। टेक 2 सब्जेक्ट, one is your favorite and another one is hard subject. Start with the hard subject, complete it, then come to the easy one. By doing this you will not get bored. कुछ लोगों के केस में ये एप्लीकेबल नहीं होता, but majority one is agree with me. So let's take my example. मेरा जो ऑप्शनल है एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, वो थोड़ा सा लेंदी है और थोड़ा लिटिल बिट हार्ड है, और वहीं हिस्ट्री मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है तो उसे आसानी से पढ़ लेता हूँ। तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट स्लॉट में ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट को कवर कर लेता हूँ, देन गोज़ फॉर इजी वन। अगर आप डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट इंटायर डे स्टडी कर रहे हो तो बर्न आउट हो जाओगे। बाय डूइंग दिस आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फील करने लगोगे, साथ ही आप डिमोटिवेटेड फील करने लगोगे। सो ये नहीं करना है। So just start with difficult and then easy, then difficult subject, then easy subject. This is your plan to take a 2 subject for a day. So next step is have everything on your desk. This one is the most important advice. I want to share with you that while you are studying, stay on your seat. You don't need to give excuse to yourself. For example, स्टडी करते समय अगर आपको प्यास लग गई है तो आप पानी के लिए अपना सीट छोड़कर जाओगे, तभी घर में कुछ चल रहा होगा जिससे आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाओगे और अपना पूरा टाइम वेस्ट कर दोगे। सो मेक श्योर बिफोर स्टार्टिंग स्टडी हैव एवरीथिंग ऑन योर डेस्क. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर रीडिंग हिस्ट्री, मेक श्योर दैट इन योर डेस्क योर रेफरेंस बुक, वाइट शीट पेपर, फोल्डर, लैपटॉप, sticky notes, everything available on your desk so that you can't distract and consistent with your study. So in short, have everything on your desk so that you don't need to give excuse to yourself to get up from your desk. Once you get up from your desk, you are out of your study zone. After that, you waste your time and feel demotivated. So have everything in your desk so that you can complete your session during the break. You can do whatever you want to do. Next tip, stay focused on your studies. Self-help is the key here. No one else is going to stop you from doing what you want, but you are the one who will face the consequence if you fail to meet your target. Remember, you know why you want to do this, why you are here. For example, in my case, I left the job. I was living in Delhi, away from family, sacrificed many things just because of one goal. And if that reason is lost, nothing else fit well in the equation. So now your question is that what I do to stay focused. So keep a diary with you, written all the study goals and prioritize it. And when you have spare time while traveling or before going to bed, take a thorough look at them. By doing this, you track your activity. Now let's come to the next step. Learn to say no. Now I am not asking you to give up all your social activities, but you have to take some bold step. For example, मैंने टाइम टेबल बना लिया है, अब मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। सडनली मेरा फ़ोन रिंग होता है, दूसरी ओर मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता है जो कि मुझे मिलने के लिए बुला रहा है। अगर मैं चला जाऊँगा तो मेरा पूरा दिन चला जाएगा, ये मुझे अच्छे से पता है, और मेरा टास्क भी पेंडिंग रह जाएगा। इन केस मैं पहले बहुत वीक था, मैं नो नहीं बोल पाता था, बट आफ्टर पैंडेमिक automatically I adopt in my behavior to say no. So you should also responsible and bold to yourself during your preparation phase. Just say them no, I am busy, and let them know when would be a better time. In short, learn to say no when you know you are. Now come to the next step. Remove the distraction like mobile, noisy place. So in our generation, we surround with gadget technology which can easily distract us through notification, social media notification. Here I am not saying don't do this, but limit these things. Take a separate time while taking lunch, while break. Use your phone but not too much too much indulge on that so that you distract from this. So during study, just keep your phone away from you, because if you have your phone on your study timetable, then notification pop up और यहाँ आप पिघल जाते हो, खुद को समझाते हो कोई नहीं यार, ये नोटिफिकेशन देख लेते हैं फिर मोबाइल रख देंगे, बट वो थोड़ी देर 1 आवर में तब्दील हो जाता है, एंड आफ्टर 1 आवर यू रियलाइज ओ माई गॉड आई वेस्ट माई प्रीसियस टाइम। तो कोई नहीं, नेक्स्ट डे से स्टार्ट करते हैं विथ फ्रेश माइंड, और हम वो दिन बर्बाद कर देते हैं, जाके बेड पे लेट जाते हैं और पूरे दिन स्क्रॉलिंग करने लगते हैं, और फिर मोटिवेशन लेवल डाउन हो जाता है और रात में लेट से सोते हैं, जिससे अगला दिन भी ख़राब हो जाता है। तभी उस दिन आकर फ्राइडे और सैटरडे होगा तो खुद को कन्विंस कर लेते हैं, अरे भाई रहने देते हैं, अब मंडे से न्यू टाइम टेबल के साथ फ्रेश माइंड से स्टार्ट करेंगे। सो इन शॉर्ट, बेटर इज़ दैट कीप योर मोबाइल stay away from you while studying. Put the mobile on the flight mode so that no notification or call should come while studying. So last tips for you. Reward yourself. Like आपने जो वीकली टारगेट रखा था अगर कंप्लीट कर दिया है विद इन अ टाइम, तो आप एक दिन आउटिंग रख सकते हो, या दोस्त के साथ मिल सकते हो, फेवरेट बुक या फेवरेट फूड खा सकते हो, whatever make you feel happy, reward yourself. इससे फ़ायदा ये होगा कि आप पढ़ाई के बीच में छोड़ कर नहीं जाओगे। मान लो आपका टास्क 70% पूरा हो गया है, मन कर रहा है कि बस बाकी का बाद में करते हैं, बट आपको खुद याद दिलाना होगा कि अगर मैंने ये टास्क कंप्लीट कर लिया, देन संडे को मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ मूवी देखने जा सकता हूँ, या फिर मॉल में घूमने या शॉपिंग करने जा सकता हूँ। बाई डूइंग दिस थिंग योर माइंड रिलीज द हार्मोन विच मेक यू इंस्टेंट फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, एंड यू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग to complete your task within a time. Note: make a weekly reward or when you feel demotivated. ये daily cut नहीं होना चाहिए. So follow these study tips and stay consistent and focus on your goals. And you should find you are feeling more confident about your studies. Want more content like this? Comment down below. Or follow me on my Instagram to get regular update. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope you can relate and helpful for your study. I literally give my all effort to make these videos enrichable. I hope you like my videos content. Just let me know in the comment below if you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It boosts my confidence. इस वीडियो में लाइक का टारगेट रखता हूँ 1000। बहुत ईजी है भाई, यू कैन डू इट जनाब। तो इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू गाइस।